Hello divers, my name is Pertti and I'm the CEO and co-founder and one of the designers of the UWIS system. I start with this video, some kind of series where we try to explain what you get when you buy a UWIS system and also how to use it. So today is episode 1. I try to show you the products, components and the parts and a little bit the software as well, what UWIS really is, and later I will show more details how to use it in different environmentals and different kind of diving. So this is episode 1. This is actually the UWIS Pro case. It is designed together with Navy divers, and this is a ready-made set for the tracking the 6 divers or ROVs or whatever object under the water. But there is a space for the diver units for the 6 divers, and it's inside the mil-proofed SKP waterproof case, so very easy to bring to the area. This is some 27 kilos with a computer laptop inside there, and some 24 kilos without laptop. So let's see what is inside. Okay, I opened the case. As you see, the door is open and there is a room for 6 diver units. One diver unit looks like this, and there is also the belt. It's new and tight. Oh, so this belt comes behind the bottom and around the tank or ROV, or where you like to connect. Quite often I have used it personally with cable ties as well. In certain cases, for example ROVs, they don't have so much space for the belt quite often. So there's a belt for every unit, and the dive unit is. And then there's 3 buoys like this. Very soon I open the one so you can see that more closely. I will make a addition window to this video so you can see those more closely at the same time. But now this is you can see the overflow. The whole case is also the integrated charging unit. So under this, under every unit we have a wireless charging plate here. It's a standard UWIS standard charging, and this is the one connected to the wall to 140, or it works also 110 volt. So this only to the wall, and every unit is charging. Typical for our products is that there is no moving parts. So these pins here, they are not moving, just turning on by using the little bit moisture fingers, and that's it. I will make the next video so that it explains the shortest way how to take a UWIS system into use. But this is just showing the units. Okay, then we have also here space for the Panasonic tough book. It's a CF20, and there is a charger for that. Also we have designed so that there is a separate charging unit. Actually it's a dual charger for 110 to 240 volt, but also DC supply. So if you like to charge the laptop in a boat, we have everything ready here. So the laptop is here in the bottom, and there is also the towel, UWIS towel for the drying the units. Only maintenance for UWIS system or components is the fresh water cleaning and flushing and drying after that. So this case is very handy in use. Only disadvantage is that those wireless charging plates don't like to take any water inside, so that's why the units have to be dried before installing back to the case. So that's the case pretty much. So next phase is that I take the camera to the hand and then I show you more closely the components. Thank you. So I can show you now how those looks like. So this was the diver unit, and these ones are buoys. Just a second. The case is a little bit tight because it's very new. So this is how the buoy looks like when it's transportation mode. So open it like this and lock, and that's it. Then we have a buoy ready. So we have 3 of those. We need always 3 buoys. And this is the same. Turn it on. First push the pins, and second, and now it's on. Now the unit starts to find GPS first from the sky, and this buoy is a master buoy. There's master there. Other 2 buoys are slave buoys. So this master buoy makes the UWIS system Wi-Fi network, and by this network you can connect this to this system with a computer and UWIS tracker software, which you can install to Windows 64-bit computers. Yeah. So when this first starts, I think it's not exactly ready yet, but very soon. Then it makes master buoy makes the network, and then after I turn every other unit on, and they're looking for this network first, and then they get settings from this master buoy. And when they get the settings, they are looking for the GPS as well, and then they show with the lights that they are ready. And then you can spread the buoys to the sea, connect diving units to the tank, to the divers or ROVs, and just go. Very easy. No special settings. So this was the buoy where I put it. So this is the laptop. We quite often deliver it together, the UWIS Pro case. It's optional. As I mentioned, you can use your own computer. This is quite good for this purpose because it's a very good IP. I think it was IP68 protected, so it's very good on the if you have some rain or something. I have used this in very heavy rain, and there is also this kind of rain mode in the touch screen, so it's very easy to use even in the small rain. Heavy rain, nothing is easy. And also it's nice to have this tablet mode so that you can. Why is this? Yeah, like this. So it's easy to follow dive with this one only. There is 2 batteries, one here and one here. So it can handle the most of the cases and quite long dives. But actually UWIS system works even without computer. So if you have some kind of display unit underwater, which I'll show you quite soon, then nobody have to be on the surface or use the computer, because the master buoy knows what to do and what are the settings and how the dive was planned beforehand. So this kind of unit is inside here. Okay, then I take a old tablet. We always don't manufacture any display units under the water to the diver. So therefore we have make some partnerships, and one of those are Valtamer OU in Finland, and they have designed waterproofed down to 100 50 meters. This all top tablets, which I'll show you now. So this is all top. Actually, there is Android Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 was the old model. This was all top 3.5, and this is a new model, which is not published yet, but it's under heavy testing now. It's all top 4.0, and there is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 inside, so it's quite much bigger. So the idea is that we have a underwater tablet, and when the UWIS unit is connected nearby, we supply this kind of plate under. You can connect this with the Bluetooth. I will show you that in coming episodes. But it's connected via Bluetooth, and then when we send information down to the diver unit, to the diver can see where he is, where other divers are, if somebody send a message, if system send a message, or the diver can send it message. We have a special application here in OLTAP called Valtamer Navigator for UWIS, and that application can support all features what we can offer. You can also use very standard navigation softwares like eSailor or Google Map in this tablet, whatever Android navigation softwares, and we can support your own location, but nothing else. No messages, no other divers' locations, but you know where you are going. So this is very standard in that sense. Yeah, this is an old version, and this is the bigger one, a new one. So this is very useful, and I think next episode or the third one I will show you how to connect this, and also what you can see here. So that's pretty much that. What else you need actually? What you need? This is actually almost everything what you need. The biggest issue quite often is that how to install the buoys to the water, river, lakes, sea, open sea, quarry, whatever. So there's many different kind of places. You are diving from the boat, from the pier, from the land. So it's a little bit different. So I probably focus one episode totally for that how to use buoys and how to install those. But what I have used is very cheap reel. Actually this is not good enough, and we need some 2-3 kilos weight as an anchor to the buoys. So this is quite a, if you go to the boat, connect this to the buoy, there is a space for that. These holes are for the rope, and this here, and then you just drop the weight and leave it there. So the buoys can move during the dive. GPS, there's a GPS on the top of the buoy, and they locate themselves in every second, so they can move. Only issue is that there should be a triangular shape for measurement, but I'm coming to that in coming episodes. So let's hope some questions in some chat or whatever is method how I publish this video. So there is a place for the questions, and I will reply to those as soon as possible. But this was episode 1 for this series of videos and more to come. Thank you.